Hey, did you know that you can view your entire watch history on the TikTok app? So every single, video you've ever scrolled across, you can view it. So even if you forget to like it, right? This is usually where I save my videos that I want to go back to. Even if you forget to like it, you could actually have a chance of seeing it. So what we want to do is select the 3 horizontal lines in the upper right-hand corner. Then from there, we want to go down to where it says settings and privacy. Once we're in settings and privacy, then we just want to go down to where it says activity center. And then in activity center, you'll see right up at the top there, it says watch history. And there are a couple different options in here. So we can go ahead and tap on watch history. Once we're in this tab, then we can see all of our most recently viewed videos, but we can also tap on up at the top here where it says filter by date. And then this is how you can virtually see any, video that you've ever watched. You can go ahead and select date range, and you can easily just go way back in time here and see all of the past videos you've ever viewed. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, like and subscribe.